Kanagiri Educational Management Program now present structure of nephron. So these are diagrams of chapter 4, 10th class biology. The right side we see here afferent arteriole, and then this is being the Bowman's capsule. This is first convoluted tubule, and then this is second convoluted tubule. This is collecting duct, and then loop of Hennis. So this is loop of Hennis, and then capillary network, and then open to pelvis. So basically this is billions of nephrons are there in kidney, and the structure of one nephron. Here important being the Malpighian body and glomerulus. So this is very important. So we will study in next slide details of the Malpighian body and glomerulus. This is about the complete, this is known as Malpighian body. Malpighian body, the capsule that contains Bowman's capsule and bunch of fine blood capillary called glomerulus. Glomerulus develops from different they are afferent arteriole. It gives to an afferent arteriole. So this is from afferent to, and then it gives to afferent arteriole. Bowman's capsule. So this is the Bowman capsule. This part is a cup-like sac at the beginning of the tubular component of a nephron in the kidney that performs the first step of the filtration of blood to form urine. So this is being the first stage of the filtration. So this is one structure of the nephron. So we have studied Malpighian, glomerulus, and then Bowman's capsule. And then we will, next slide we will study afferent arteriole, and then afferent arteriole, and then convoluted module and other things. So we said this is the afferent arterioles are a group of blood vessels that supply the nephron in many excretory systems. The afferent arteriole branch from the renal artery which supplies blood to the kidneys. So this is basically afferent arteriole, a group of blood vessels that supply the nephron in many excretory systems. So the afferent arteriole branch from the renal artery which supplies, so it supplies blood to the kidneys. And the next is the afferent. The afferent blood vessels that are part of the urinary tract organism. Afferent means outgoing, in this case meaning carrying blood out from the glomerulus. So this takes away from blood from this. This is afferent. So we have to remember afferent. This is A, this is E. This vessels outgoing, it takes the we will read it again. The afferent arterioles are blood vessels that are part of the urinary tract organism. Afferent means outgoing, in this case meaning carrying blood out away from the, this is taking away from the glomerulus. So with this I think we are clear about the afferent and efferent. And then we have two convoluted tubules, so first and second, and then we need to know the what is convoluted tube. The distal convoluted tube is the nephron segment that lies immediately downstream of the muscula densa. So immediately after this we will find this one first, and then second being this. So and then the important being is loop of Henle. So this is loop of Henle. Okay, long U-shaped portion of the tube that conducts urine with each nephron of the kidney. The principal function in the recovery of water and sodium chloride from urine. So this principal function is recovery of water and sodium chloride from urine. It recovers sodium chloride and as well as water. And then we see capillary network. This is known as vertebral capillaries in the renal system. They are tiny blood vessels supplied by the efferent arteriole that travel alongside nephrons along reabsorption and secretion between blood and inner lumen of the nephron. So with this, I think we are clear with most of the things, and then again we will read out the structure of the nephron, Malpighian body, glomerulus, afferent arteriole, efferent. Again, this one afferent, this is efferent, this is Bowman's capsule, this is first convoluted tubule, this is second convoluted tubule, this is collecting duct, and then this is loop of Henle U-shaped. This is again capillary network, and then open to pelvis. With this, I hope we are clear with the structure of the nephron. So it's a part of kidney. Millions of nephrons are there. We have studied one structure of the nephron over here. I wish it is clear. I hope so. Thank you very much.